I will explain why we have to sand the whole bumper. This bumper have no joke code showing on dirt flags for skipping this step to save some money. I do not recommend them for doing this. As you can see from the picture, the primer are chipping. I believe after they demold the bumper, they just prime the bumper without sanding it down. Here's a picture from the video clip showing the bumper with no joke code. This is just fiberglass and fiberglass resin, and it is really smooth before we sand it down.
They both better not do the same shit, I swear to God. I'll be so confused. Oh yeah, that works too. Twist it like you're making a fire, bro. I think you're better than Kino. That is crazy.
Oh, like that. Just like that.
Maybe you're not getting benched. Like I said, yeah, it depends on how you guys do before the match. I'm gonna have to pay attention to everybody's gameplay, see how everybody's doing, and then whoever is doing the at least compare to our team. Our team, a bunch of beginners.
No. Unranked players.
Yeah, we about to get cooked.
Well, that's my brother. My brother plays.
Time to hop on.
You need that free skin.
Yeah, tell them that we're giving out free skin.
Stop him, but his hand hurts, so he stopped playing.
Oh, that's the same excuse as Chi. Chi said the same thing.
They're the same people. Bro.
Yeah, Chi when Chi hit Diamond, we're like, why don't you just go for Master? He's like, oh my hand has like this injury and it just hurts.
His arthritis hurts.
Yeah, that's what Chi said too. And then
Bro, they're the same.
yeah, and then Chi didn't go for Masters until his brand new excuse, because that's what Chi says too. She's like, oh, my mechanics is not at the same level as the people in my rank. I'm like, it's okay, Chi, your overall game sense is just really good, so it don't matter. But that shit was so funny. I was like, yo, no, this is gold.
I don't gotta move it, right? Or it just do I move?
You should probably move it.
We are looking for pinhole and area where any minor body wear.
Check right here.
I already did.
Alright, should be fine, man. This side over here is good.
Yeah.
I'm Darren.
It's not crazy.
Here I just roughing the area and preparing it for body wear.
Swing it. Look, it's a car.
Okay.
Transformer. What was that one guy that had like a transformer gun that looked like a sword?
The one I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Well, I don't remember his name. He was the main character though for
Yeah.
Transformers, right?
Yeah, for that one movie.
Mm-hmm. He's like don't. Don't.
Yeah, I
Don't.
blocked it, bro.
Boom. Anime.
Block sanding is your best friend if you want good results.
Wow. I need to take a shit. Ah.
Test fitting the bumper and checking if there are any gap under the headlight.
Like the whole bumper.
Wipe the whole bumper, Liam. Okay. Don't miss a single spot. What the hell the alcohol?
Why is alcohol?
Oh, alcohol smell. Oh. Damn.
Why is it alcohol?
Did you do the whole top part here already?
I did pretty much, yeah. Might be a couple tiny spots I missed. For the most part.
I think got everything. We're just redoing everything now.
Yeah, making sure.
Yeah, we're just going through everything the same thing over and over.
Oh. Why don't you guys hold it?
Hold it.
So like,
How do you want us to hold it?
like here? Lift it up.
Lift it
So I
up?
can do the side. Oh. Yeah.
Like this?
I'll do that side. Okay, put that down. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna do white coat. Oh, white coat. Probably looking nice. Okay.
You got it here.
Uh,
I trust you with my car. You put that in the
that's
pavement.
fine. You should be fine. Don't really matter. Oh damn. Oh damn.
Gotta put it at an angle. You see that under part? You see this part right here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Put that corner right there.
Like that?
Yeah, there.
Like you? Wanna do this side then?
I can do this.
Yeah, since I did the other. Come back around.
Come back around.
Yeah.
What? There's so many missing up here.
It flew off.
Here you go. That's the best I'm gonna do. Oh, my back!
When I said, I was saying, bro, and then you.
Oh, my back! Okay. Excuse me, young man.
Excuse you. You've been.
You're excused. You suck at talking,
Bro.
bro.
What?
Isn't English your only language?
No. It's like my first. And only, dumbass.
So I wasn't wrong.
Use your vocabulary. Oh, dang. You good, bro? No, you good?
Yeah.
I'm just good.
Two more. Pick and roll. Shit gon' low.
Let's do this.
Alright.
You guys can work. You both can work on the front part. I will work on the back part. Okay. I'll be the. It's a lot tighter now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't even.
I have to push down.
Maybe turn left this whole
The
time.
skin is biting me. Ah!
I got you, bro.
What the fuck?
That shit crazy. Something know.
It's possible.
Ah,
Except for Liam, she's not a friend. She's a dog.
the fucking flies, man.
The school game is not fast. Spending my money.
Month, November on the 25th. Your tabs. What are you doing? Wait, no, July 25th. July 2025.
Oh yeah.
July 2025.
Do a good job today, boys.
It was.
Give me the moon.